animal for you, okay? Animal demo for the towel. I'm making the body now.
And ultimately, jobs. The unemployment rate among young people is twice the national average. And even students at top universities like this one are worried.
I'm gonna fold it into U shape.
Will actually buy them.
I'm gonna pull this tip end of the towel.
Ooh.
Pull it over. Actually, this is all the body of all animals, so you can improvise whatever you like. So I'm gonna put it here to make it a sitting down. So that's the body, the hand, the feet. Now I'm making the head. Make it to the half and make it a diamond shape and fold into a triangle shape. Fold it, flip it over, and that's it. You have to put it here nicely so that it will not fall. And the eyes. Alright. Your Eskimo man. Eskimo man.
So take a bow.